Hello, my name is Jerri Bandt with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video will show how to configure the size of the Avaya Aura Contact Center audit trail event entries in the database. First, I'll cover some details about the Aacc audit trail functionality. Then I will demo how to configure the size of the audit trail event database in Aacc. The audit trail is used to view actions performed with the Aacc Contact Center Management Interface, access and partition management, historical reporting, scripting, and configuration. So the audit trail can provide details on what changes have been made in the Aacc administration and when they were done. The audit trail data also includes the user ID of the person who made the changes. And the audit trail event messages will show when a user logs on or off from the Contact Center Manager Administration Launchpad interface. By default, Aacc is set up to store 1,000 audit trail events. But this storage size can be increased to a maximum of 10,000 entries. Be aware that it will take longer to retrieve and display audit trail events as the storage size is increased. The system displays all stored events each time the audit trail is accessed. Now I will demo how to configure the audit trail size. For this demo, I am logged into the Contact Center Manager Launchpad web page on a lab Aacc system. First, click Audit Trail in the upper right corner next to Logout. Aacc retrieves all the stored audit trail event entries from the database and displays them on the web page. This can take a few moments depending on how many entries are stored. For each audit trail entry, Aacc displays the date and time, the event number, the user ID, the client, the server hostname or IP address, the Aacc component where the event happened, and a description. The most recent entries are at the top. You can use the scroll bar on the right to move up and down the display. The last event on this system that was recorded was when I logged into the Launchpad with user ID Avaya. Now I will demo how to configure the number of audit trail events stored in the database. To do this, click on Administration in the top left of the toolbar, then click on Edit Database Size. The Change Audit Trail Preferences web page displays. There is only one field that can be modified, the maximum number of events stored. This lab system has the default number of 1,000. I will change the number of stored events to 1,500. Then you need to click the Submit button to make the change. A success message box displays. Click OK to exit back to the Audit Trail web page. To verify the size was changed, you can click on Administration and then edit database size again. The Audit Trail Preferences window shows that the number of stored events is set to 1,500. Remember, the maximum number of stored events is 10,000. The system will not accept a number greater than 10,000. To demo this, I'll change the number to 10,001 and then I'll click Submit. An error message window displays stating the database size is out of range. Valid entries are from 1 to 10,000. I'll click OK to exit the error window. Now I'll click Cancel to exit the Preferences window without changing the size entry. This concludes the demo on configuring the size of the Aacc audit trail. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.